Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look that I have on my face. It's sort of a cranberry kind of color with a half cut crease. I really like the way it turned out. I used my Modern Renaissance palette to create this look. So yeah, anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So the first shade I'm going to take is Golden Ochre, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Okay, so then I'm going to take Real Gar, which is like this orange shade. I think I'm saying that right. But I'm going to take that on another fluffy brush and put this in my crease as well. Then I'm going to take this flat brush. I always show it on my face just because I feel like it doesn't focus out here. But I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to be going into, I honestly don't know how to say these words. It's this one here. I think it's Vanadium Red. It's the one that says red. So that one. And then I'm just going to dip my brush in that and pat it on my outer corner. And then like slowly blend it into my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the half cut crease, and I'm gonna be using my Milani Fit Me concealer. Milani. Wait, it is called Milani, right? Maybelline. Milani. Oh my god, that's my manager's name. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Okay, so I'm sorry that the lighting changed, but the sun decided to come out and it was like super bright and you could see the shadow of my like shades on my face, and then I was waiting for it to die down, but it didn't. So I just had to put the shades down and like open them a little bit. But yeah, so that's why it probably looks different. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking Vermeer, which is this pinky shimmery shade right here, and I'm just placing that all over my lid where I put the concealer. So then taking my flat brush again, I'm gonna go back into that red shade. I'm not even gonna try to say it. And again, just pat that outer corner and then blend slightly right here, just so that that shimmer shade and the outer corner kind of blend together nicely and there's no harsh lines. Okay, so the lighting probably changed again because the sun decided to move again. It's fine. Anyways, I just put on some Ardell lashes. I don't remember the style because I threw away the thing like a couple days ago, but these are the only lashes that I have right now, so that's what I'm working with. Now I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I'm like almost out, so I'm using the stick. So now I'm using my NYX concealer to highlight everything. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Powder in Banana, and I'm going to set my face. So the sun changed again because it sucks, and it's like, oh, you're filming? Let me just change up on you all the time. Anyways, now I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze up my face. So for blush, I'm going to be using my Ulta Velvet Blush in the shade Princess. And then I'm going to be using my Casey Holmes and Smashbox collab for highlight. I'm going to be using her gold palette. I'm going to take the lightest shade right here. And now I'm going to finish up the eyes going back into my palette. There goes the sun. Change it on me. I'm going to take this super flat brush and I'm going to go into that red shade and press this up against my lower lash line. So then I'm going to take my Morphe E36, which is like a small dome brush, and I'm going to take Real Guard, which is the orange shade, and blend out that red shade. Now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara and put some mascara on my lower lashes. So then for my lips, I'm going to be taking this Kiss Beauty lip liner, and I'm going to line and fill my lips in with this. And then I'm going to take this Milani lipstick in the shade 55 Bahama Beige and go over top. So this lipstick's not really matte, so I just like to press translucent powder on my lips to kind of mattify it. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment any suggestions you have for me below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.